Welcome to the Secret Underground Laboratory Recovery and Salvage, where rude mechanicals do magic. Hello, I'm Bronze Age, Director of the Secret Underground Laboratory Recovery and Salvage. The rent's due, and we've got a paying job here on the bench. This is a nice piece of furniture. It's made of solid oak, very strong, very well built. Here on the bottom side of the seat is a logo that says Carlson, made in Japan. I did a little research on that, and all I found was a bunch of other people asking questions about had anybody ever heard of Carlson furniture made in Japan. It's a counter height stool, which is to say it's a little taller than a chair and a little shorter than a bar stool. And the reason it's here today is because this piece broke out. We're going to repair that, give it back to the customer, and collect the money, because that's what this is all about. What we have here is a broken stretcher, and fortunately, this being such a well-made piece, it was held in place with just a little dab of glue. In cheaper pieces of furniture, you'll find they run a nail or a brad through the side, and that means that to get the ends of the stretchers out, you basically got to destroy them. But we are in luck today. Now the tenons on this measure out to 19/32, which I don't really think is a number. Neither is 37/64. That's just a little under 5/8. So we'll be using this 5/8 oak dowel to repair the stretcher. We're at the Packard Sterling Precision Drill Press, which I'm hoping will make short work out of this job. I've got this V-block jig set up, which is close as I'm going to get it with an eyeball. And to try and reduce the chance of this splitting when I start drilling it, I've got a collar made. It will fit down pretty tight. I have a collection of them by now, because it seems like no matter what you find, this next spindle on the next chair is never the same size as the last one. But that's just the way this sort of thing goes. I think that'll do it. The dry fit goes just like this. This piece in here, and then just telescope it out. Now we just let it set up. This is supposed to be the quick setting epoxy, so we'll give it a couple hours before I take it off the bench. 24 hours, it'll be just fine. I'm using the regular Harbor Freight off-the-shelf epoxy, and it works well as long as you mix it up really thoroughly before you put it in, but that's true of any epoxy. The only complaint I have with this stuff is that one is A and one is B, and they have a red cap cap and a white cap, and no real clue as to which is which, unless you happen to remember which ones you took it off of. And I really don't very often. So I put a W and an R before I open them up. That has saved me a lot of epoxy. That's one coat of golden oak stain. It'll probably take another coat or two to bring it down, darken it to match this, but it's pretty close right now. So, I'm Bronze Age for the Secret Underground Laboratory, thanking you for watching this video and helping us pay the rent this month. We'll be having more videos coming out. I would really like it if you would subscribe, click the like button. Would appreciate it very much. So thank you, and I'll see you next time.